Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of India's most significant occasion, Republic Day. As we gear up to celebrate the 76th Republic Day on January 26, 2025, let's take a closer look at the history, significance and the grand celebration planned for this year. Make sure to watch till the end for all exciting details. Republic Day marks the day when the Indian Constitution came into effect, replacing the Government of India Act 1935. It was January 26, 1950 that India officially became a Sovietian democratic republic. But why January 26? Well, this date was chosen to honor the Purna Swaraj Declaration of 1930. When India resolved the fight for complete independence, this day symbolized not just freedom but also the incredible journey of creating one of the world's most comprehensive constitution, led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now let's talk about what's happening this Republic Day. The celebration will take place at the iconic Kartavya Path in New Delhi. This year, the theme is Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas, Golden India, Heritage and Progress. It's all about celebrating India's rich heritage and its strides towards development. The chief guest of this year is Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. His presence is tribute to the 75 years of diplomatic relations between India and Indonesia. The Grand Parade will feature contingents from the Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary forces, and cultural performance. 15 states and 11 central departments will showcase their vibrant tableaux depicting themes of heritage, innovation, and progress. This year, 10,000 special guests have been invited to witness the parade. These include sarpanches from top-performing villages, disaster relief workers, and even master warriors. Isn't that inspiring? Another highlight in this year is Virgata 4.0 initiative. Over 1.76 crore students participated this year, sharing stories of bravery and patriotism. The top 100 students, called the Super 100, will be honored at the parade. Republic Day celebration don't end on January 26. On January 29, the beating retreat ceremony will take place at the Vijay Chowk. It's a breathtaking display of military bands playing patriotic tunes, concluding with the national anthem and the ceremonial retreat. Republic Day isn't just a day of parades and speeches. It's celebration of our democracy, diversity, and unity. So this January 26, let's take a moment to reflect on how far we have come as a nation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Let us know in the comments how you plan to celebrate Republic Day this year. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.